In this video, I'll be going over how to find order of operations with exponents. The order of operations for any expression we use is the PEMDAS. We have two examples of expressions with exponents, and we're going to solve them based on the order that they should be. So the abbreviation of PEMDAS that we have, P is for parentheses, E is for exponents, M is for multiplication, D is for division, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. So when you're handling an expression, you want to do them in this order. So for the first example, we can see that there are parentheses here. So that means that we need to handle the expressions that are within the parentheses first. So we're gonna handle this portion first, and we see that it's a 3 squared minus 4. And if we were to look at the PEMDAS again, the second priority is E with exponent. And we have exponent here, so we're gonna handle that first. And the 3 squared equals 9, then minus 4. So we would do this part first, because parentheses first, then exponent second. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So therefore we completed the first priority, which is within the parentheses. Now we need to bring down the rest, like so. And looking at this, what is the next priority? Since the parentheses portion is already done, we have 5. So it would be 2 plus 4 cubed plus 5. And then we can see from here, there are 2 additions and 1 exponent. So according to PEMDAS, exponents goes first. So 4 cubed is gonna be 64. So that's the next priority. Then we bring down the rest. And now the operators that we have are only the 2 additions. Now the addition from the PEMDAS rule is right here toward the end. And since the 2 operators that we have here are both additions, so we can go in the order that they are in. So first we'll take 2 plus 64, that gives us 66. And then we'll add the 5, and that gives us 71. And that is the answer for the first example. Now for the second example, we have an expression, and we see there are parentheses, so we need to handle everything that's in here first. That's our first priority. And then we see the exponent here and here. And so we're gonna handle this second and then this third. Then what we have left would be the addition and division. According to PEMDAS, division goes before addition. So then the division portion will be 4th, and the addition will be 5th. So we're gonna go in this order. So first, we're gonna do 24 minus 18, and that will give us 6. Then the second portion that we're gonna do is the square. So the square, 6 squared is 36. We're gonna bring the rest down. And the third one that we wanna do is the exponent here. So that will be 3 times 3 is 9. Now we're left with 2 operators, and the fourth one would be the division. So we will take the 9 divide by 3 to give us 3. And lastly, we have 36 plus 3, then we'll have 39. And 39 is our answer for the second example. So these two are examples of how you would solve order of operations with exponents. You want to follow the PEMDAS rule and handle the ones in the parentheses first, then get to the exponents, multiplication, division, addition, then finally subtraction. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.